बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज के इस लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं एवरीडे साइंस से रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs जो कि PPSC 1 पेपर में पूछे जाते हैं। हमने कुछ MCQs जो है वो कल डिस्कस किए थे। आज मज़ीद हम कुछ डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। फर्स्ट वन इज़ एसिड रेन इज़ मेनली कास्ट बाय इमिशंस ऑफ। एसिड रेन जो है वो मेनली कास्ट की जाती है इमिशंस बाय द इमिशंस ऑफ सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड एंड नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड इन एटमॉस्फेयर। After persistent decay, radium would be finally changes into lead. Agrostology is the study of, that is the study of grasses. AIDS is caused by human immune deficiency virus. And next is AIDS way to spread is, that is touch. Air is mixture of different gases. What is the share of nitrogen in air? That is 78%. Air pollution effects none. Means depletion of air pollution effects depletion of ozone layer. Alkalis reacts with fats produce soap and glycerine. All of the following are consistent with the diagnosis of bacterial testis except उनमें से except जो है that is preceding viral URI जो है वो नहीं है. Aluminium composition on earth that is 1.59%. Amnesia is related to loss of memory. Amphibians lay their eggs in on water. An acid is indicated by dash final color on litmus, that is red, by red final color. An activity related to earthquake is that is seismic activity. An animal that has ability to eat and survive on both plant and animal matter is called omnivore. And an artery is a vessel carrying oxygenated blood. An eclipse of the sun occurs when, ये तब होता है जब हमारे पास जो है द मून इज़ बिटवीन द सन एंड द अर्थ. एन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट कैन प्रोड्यूस ऑल ऑफ दिस मीन्स केमिकल इफेक्ट, magnetic effect and heating effect. An instrument that measure air pressure is called barometer. An instrument used to measure gas pressure is called manometer. An isotope of cobalt is used in the treatment of cancer. Angstrom is unit of which quantity? That is length. Okay, I hope it's clear to all of you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.